Welcome to the journey of a lifetime, the quest for financial freedom. Today, we begin a step-by-step voyage to economic independence. Imagine a life where you call the shots, free from financial stress. It starts with defining your financial goals. What does freedom mean to you? Set your sights on the horizon, whether it's a serene retirement or a thriving business. Short-term or long-term, your goals are the compass. With goals set, it's time to chart the course with a budget, track your income and expenses, and steer your finances towards your dreams. Next, anchor your journey with an emergency fund. Life's waves are unpredictable, but with 3 to 6 months of expenses saved, you'll weather any storm. High-interest debt is a treacherous current. Overcome it with strategies like the debt snowball or avalanche method and sail towards calmer waters. Now, let your investments be the wind in your sails. Diversify and align your portfolio with your financial destinations for growth on the horizon. Seek new horizons to boost your income. Negotiate, hustle, or embark on the adventure of entrepreneurship. More income means faster progress. Knowledge is your compass, and continuous education in finance is your North Star. Stay informed, make wise decisions, and navigate with confidence. Set milestones like beacons guiding you to your financial goals. Celebrate each achievement. They're proof you're on the right course. Discipline and patience are your steadfast crew. Stay the course, adjust your sails when needed, and trust in your journey to financial freedom. Finally, as you reach your destination, savor the fruits of your labor. Allocate funds for joy and pursue passions with the freedom you've earned.